Welcome to the Wizard's Lair, also known in the modern day as ADHD Dungeon. I don't know, whichever way you want to go. This is the chaos that's around me. It is a lot. I own a junk business and I frequently get over inundated with cool stuff that I'm like, oh, I can't throw that away. It's so awesome. And in the process of all of that, I have purchased a skid steer, but then I slowly acquired buckets and stuff like that. Well, then these buckets are laying everywhere. So then I'm gonna take this some random metal, and we're gonna make it into a rack. And the common ADHD thing is that I've like gotten distracted, and then things keep piling up and blah, blah, blah. Let me show you some of these buckets and where they currently are all sitting. We got this, forks. This, like a flat bucket for grading. Right, the other problem is that what you see is that it'll collect water and get rusty. Then I got like a digging bucket with teeth attached in the spider web. Look at that. Ooh. But this one's got a lot of rust in it. And I would like all of them to be in one place, efficient, right? As much as like ADHD is utter chaos all the time. The thing about it is that you also, at least for me, can put things and organize things because you can have so much data and information. Now the problem with so much data and information is that you kind of have to get creative to solve your own problems, which is kind of like a constant. Okay, I don't need a weld quite yet, but little rig. Oh, let me introduce you. This truck, I love the story of this truck. So, my adopted grandpa bought this in '72. Adopted because he became like a grandpa to me and my kids. He bought this in '72, this beauty. And then I bought it from him. So I'm the second owner of this truck, and it runs really good. It needs some like attention to body, but she's clean, she's straight. I don't know if you've ever had one of these trucks, you've seen how like absolutely destroyed these doors get, and you got to slam them, right? But this is smooth. So she needs some love, right? There's some love. We'll get to the love, but right now she's solid. She's good. So we're gonna work on that and like crush it. That's my goal today, is to crush that. So maybe we do time lapse now? I don't know. We'll see. Nope, not time lapse. Okay, so the thing is that I love building setups, but my setups tend to be I love building setups, but my setups tend to be custom. Always. It's just the way it is. So this is my little like welding cart. We got this from somebody who used to work for us, didn't want it back, and so I built a little spot for the welder to fit. So we're gonna get that all set up right now so we can go to town. All right, so now make the cylinder on that side. And I gotta get this thing reattached. Put that right there. So now I got that on. Gonna need to re-bolt these puppies on. Man, I wonder if I should have this on the inside. I got this house 50 amp cord. I got a nice flexible one, but this is the one that I have now. So, I'm gonna work on this racking system to get this. I need to just focus on one thing and get it out of the canopy. So that's what I'm working on. Getting this one. Is that, that's supposed to go out of here? It's designed to hold the racks. It's for all the buckets for the skid, is what it's for. And then I was gonna make the top rack so I could put tires on it, and then I'd have all of it up and out of the sun and out of the way. So
that makes sense.
That's the goal.
guys got anything else good lately?
Yeah, we got a whole...
Can I go look?
No, it's already all been, like...
Where is it?
It's already been picked and pictures taken and a whole bunch of camping stuff, like all brand new camping stuff.
Where is it?
Hunting stuff. It's all...
Can I go check it out?
It's majority of it's in the office and like put away. Yeah, look at that efficiency. Got a team getting stuff done. Imagine that.
Well, do you have it like on racks to be like sold?
No, we're like lots. Selling, like taking pictures of lots. Easiest way for you to find out the stuff that we got coming through is...
Every time that I hit you up about stuff, I never get a text back.
No, the rest of my sentence will help you. The quickest way to find out what we got and what we got posted is like to follow the Junk Remove Now profile on Facebook.
Yeah.
Okay, then you should be getting notifications when when like stuff's listed.
I do.
Brand involved.
Why is it? Oh, dude, this is that's a fire suppression system.
Yeah, I watched the video and it was talking about how anybody that has like a broad knowledge base that can basically be put into any
Being a redneck.
Not just a redneck, but like their ability to adapt in any
situation.
Any situation, any fucking A. That'll work. There. Nope. Main. So, being somebody that can adapt to any situation, right?
Right.
You can 10x your income. And I've been thinking about that. Thinking about like this morning, yesterday, I was on the job, welding job, and at the job I got called to do like another job. So yeah, the audience is already here. And I would love to take that little car. So if you want to get that diesel motor,
Yeah, I mean, if you
can get access to it, I'll give you the keys to drive the skid around. We have to put forks on. And then
look, finish your project. I'm not going to detract you from this thing. Get this done.
Once I get this done, then this can get out of the way. I don't have much at all.
I mean, it's a Frankenstein thing.
It is definitely, it's a super Frankenstein
But
thing.
if it holds it, I mean, whatever.
Yeah. The whole point is to get this thing out.
Is that rebar thick enough? I guess, what is that, like
It's
0 bar?
I doubled it up. I doubled it up and then I like stitch welded it.
And then yeah, finish that shit up.
Yeah, because once this gets done, then this gets out of the way and then a bunch of the stuff will get organized and then this will be clear. Because the goal is to pull, I want to be able to pull 2 trucks with space on either side to work on them. That's the goal.
To work on them or go through stuff? Because this would actually be a dang good bay if you had like, I mean, room on both sides.
I don't want to, the big goals would be a smash room, pay the 15 grand or whatever to pay the money to get a concrete pad put down, and then put a wall in the back with an access door, and then put a smash room in here on like slow days, but then also like content, and then like.
Have you seen the channels where they have like the smash room live streamed?
That's what I want to do. Have when people sign up, that they sign up and then they're like doing a release form or like image release.
That would work.
And then cameras everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know about in here, dude. Like, call me crazy, but I can see some glass, dude, like destroy.
No, you put up nets. I just put nets high.
All right.
You know, because if I put them at 9 feet, like, or 10 feet, or
How big would it cost? This is 15 grand in concrete.
Yeah.
That would be worth it.
Yeah, it would.
Have a drain or have a drain system so that you could like wash everything down so it doesn't cross. I mean, that'd be cool. Because I mean, if you plan on parking trucks at nighttime, I mean, give you protection from the hail. I mean, you could probably fit 3 vehicles near them.
Yeah, it's wide enough. You can double them up if you had nothing on the walls. I don't know if I'll have that, but.
No, I mean, you could fit the 3 running trucks in here side by side. I mean, it'd almost be a block for everything behind it. I mean, yeah, someone could take a knife to it, but...
Yeah. I'd still have stuff. Like, they could, but we still have stuff locked up. All right.
Get that finished up.
I got cross members to put up here, one on the back, one there to touch back up, and then I need pieces to go down so that I can put like a roof, just like some tin, basic tin. Nothing super complicated, but I do want it to get this stuff out of the sun, because the goal is that the open side will be north facing, and so the heat will be on the south, and then that'll prevent just like how the sun here in Colorado in the west, there's not a lot of clouds, so it will bake whatever you got out there. So the goal of this is to have covered on the back and then roof. So we're gonna do that now. Majority of the material that I use is all salvaged, so it's kind of like a smorgasbord of random stuff. So we try to like build our own racks, organize a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna pull out a couple different pieces. Pull out a couple different pieces to use. Okay, so now start cutting, welding, tacking, and get this done. Because I'm embarrassed to say how long this stuff's been sitting here. Oh, how long this project's been sitting here. Okay. That'll do. Okay, if you look at the gap down here, okay? And look at the gap way up there. So one's going this way, one's going that way. Ultimately, this is not structural, it's not going anywhere. I don't really care. It just made me laugh. Just like, we're just slapping this together just to send it so I can stack stuff up and be more efficient. I don't need to make it pretty. I can make pretty. That just takes a lot more, that takes not a lot more time, just more time. I didn't want to do that. So, just the way it is. All right, we gotta get this metal, get it cut. Oh, I don't have to use the generator because I have power here. I went and did a welding job this morning, and so I had both the little generator, because it burns more fuel efficient, and my big welder generator running at the same time, just to get some stuff done really quick. So I'm gonna do that. That's nice. Okay, it's a little hot in here, and let's go with the new ADHD fixation sidetrack thing, which is like, I was getting in trouble with this, but I got this big old fan, right? We did a job where clean out. Where's that fan even blowing? Where's it pulling the air from? Huh. Okay, I think I'm gonna shift that. But anyway, that's one. This guy made organ pipes. So we got these mother truckers. They are heavy duty, but I think I'm gonna move that and then have that air blowing like relatively on me. So let's set that up.